Hey guys, see the AMSOIL Guy. Are you the AMSOIL Guy?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, this is Eben. I'm the AMSOIL Guy.
Oh, I have a question. How do you use the motor flush?
Oh, the AMSOIL engine flush. I believe that's what you're talking about. This right here goes right in the engine. You idle the engine for 15 minutes after you put it in. What it does, circulates, cleans up lifters, gets all the carbon around the rings, gets in there, melts all kinds of oil coking from turbo burning. The turbos actually burn this oil, and it builds up like burning butter on a frying pan. Also helps cleans oil cooler ports. And well, if you want your engine to run smoother and you want that sucker to run longer and stronger, that's what you're going to want to use. So go ahead and you'll see down below, you'll see my links. You can get the engine flush. And hey, I'd be your personal AMSOIL guy, your AMSOIL dealer. I can answer all your questions on the products. Go ahead and click down there, and if you want, subscribe to the channel. You'll be able to come back and watch a lot more videos on protecting your vehicles.